YouTube analyzes everything. Okay, so what is up guys? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are doing well. So first of all, I would like to say that my exams are finally over and I am going to bring some really amazing content for you guys. So stay tuned for that. The production and the shooting of those are in the making and I'm sure you guys will love it. With that being said, in this video, we're going to talk about some things I wished I knew when I started my YouTube channel. Now these are something which you must have already known or heard somewhere else, but if you guys haven't, this video is for you guys and I really wished I knew this beforehand. With that being said, if you guys like this kind of content, then do make sure to press the like button, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, and let's get started. So the first and foremost thing is that do not think about your competition. Do not think about how fast the other channels are growing, because it is your own channel. You have your own pace. You have never made or edited or taught in front of the camera before, right? So it will take you some time to develop that, and then slowly and gradually you guys will improve. Do not worry about that at all. Like I always mention, content is always the king, no matter what the cost. The storytelling is always the most important thing if you're showing any kind of blogs or something else. So make sure to deliver content which you yourself will want to watch, because understand this, if you are someone who is not going to watch your own videos, then how do you expect other people to watch your videos? Got the point, right? Now get to working. Now the next one is, of course, do not worry about the gear. The camera you shoot in doesn't matter. It can be a mobile phone also. It can be a cheap, budget-friendly camera also. If you guys are interested in making YouTube videos, just start shooting. The point is to just start shooting. And if you guys want to make some investments, spend on lighting, because with a good lighting, a bad camera also can shoot a good video. However, with a bad lighting, no matter what a good camera is, if it is a mid-tier camera, even then it will not shoot good videos. However, before lighting, the most important thing I would recommend anyone to purchase is a good microphone for your YouTube videos, because people can stand a bad video, they cannot stand a bad audio. So always make sure to spend a little bit, at least maybe something of a $10, $12 on a lavalier microphone such as this one. Again, like I already mentioned a lot of times in all my old videos, I have a lavalier microphone. It is very cheap, and however I still use it right now, and my voice is just as smooth as it can be, and a good amount of freedom is there with a lavalier microphone, because with a good length of a lavalier microphone I can move away or towards the camera. However, with the other kind of a microphone such as a boom mic or condenser mic, I have to be closer to the microphone so that the voice is normal throughout. Otherwise, I have to play with the audio a lot in the post-production sector. That is a headache. Trust me, that is a headache. So always make sure to spend time on the audio, because this is one of the most crucial aspects of the video. Other than those, the most important part, other than these technicalities, is the algorithm of YouTube. Of course, this is not something which can be explained in just one single video. So I actually made a Skillshare course on this. If you guys are interested, this is a YouTuber crash course. So if you guys are interested on starting your YouTube channel in 2021, this course is for you guys. Again, Skillshare is super cheap. However, this is a bonus tip for you guys. The first 5 people to click the link in the description below will get the course totally free of cost. Yes, totally free of cost. Just click on the link, sign up, skip the payment details, and done. You can just start watching the course. So the first 5 people, just click on the link as soon as possible. Other than those, anyone else who already has a Skillshare account, they can search my name, and then you are going to find my channel right here, and this is the YouTuber crash course, and a lot of people actually liked the algorithm section of it. Now if you just ask me for a sneak peek of the algorithm section, well, let me just tell you, YouTube is all about keywords, right? It is all about all the important things happening around the world. So make sure to always put in those keywords in your titles, in your thumbnails, in your descriptions, in your videos. YouTube analyzes everything. It has the AI, it has the softwares for analyzing everything, starting from images, videos, transcriptions of your videos, your descriptions, your tags, everything. So make sure to always include strong, very important, and high searched keywords in your videos to rank properly when you're just starting out. Again, these are explained very well detailed in my course, so make sure to try that out in Skillshare. However, if you're someone who is not interested on buying a Skillshare subscription, then you guys can just go to my website, which is shop.schoolofcreators.com, and there's a one-time purchase option also that costs $20. However, this is a lifetime access to the course, no subscription, nothing else, and you guys will get the access to the thing for your life. So with that being said, that is enough for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked this tips which I showed in this video. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know these tactics, but trust me, knowing the tactics doesn't work. You have to put in the effort. Start working today and you guys can make a successful YouTube channel soon in no time. Trust me. So with that being said, comment down below, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you guys want this kind of content. And I'm Pitzel Sammy. I'll be back with a new video soon. Peace out.